Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change the autosave interval in Microsoft Excel and adjust your autosave timer settings. This instantly tightens your background backup frequency, forcing the system engine to save your data changes as often as every single minute, so you never lose critical formulas during unexpected power cuts or software crashes. First, open Microsoft Excel, look at the top left corner of the interface menu row, and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Save tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the upper section pane layout, which is explicitly headered Save Workbooks. Ensure there is a checkmark sitting inside the specific checkbox explicitly labeled Save AutoRecover Information Every. Move your cursor to the numerical data input cell box directly next to it, highlight the existing tracking value, and type your preferred interval time in minutes. Drop this value down to 1 to lock in the absolute fastest and tightest backup security loop available in the software core. While you are here, also ensure the tracking box below, labeled Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving, is fully checked to protect your drafts from accidental exits. Drop down to the bottom right of the main options layout window and click the OK button to lock your new interval frequency rules into the system core. And that's it. Your high-frequency automatic document protection backup configuration is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.